Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about some magnetic lashes. So we have some here, so the Magnetic by S. So once we open it, here's what it comes with, the instructions. It comes with the applicator, and it also comes with the magnetic eyelashes. So let's go ahead and open these up. So it comes with a pair of two. So you have four of these lashes, the bigger ones, and then you have also these lashes too that are like half a lash. So you can put it at the ends of your eyes. So the way how you do it basically is, if you want to use the applicator, you just grab a pair of these eyelashes, no glue needed. Literally, they clip together. So if you can see, they have little magnets at the bottom of where the eyelashes are. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and put these on at the bottom, and then we'll go ahead and use them. All right, let's go ahead and put them on. All right, so went ahead and put the eyelashes on the applicator. If you can see, the top of these are magnetic, so it is staying in place. So you can go ahead and put it on. So this is the top lash and this is the bottom lash. And let's go ahead and put these on. So this is a comparison with no lash versus a lash. It just gives you volume. Give them a try.